Alright. Is it recording? It is. Okay. So... Moth, come on. Let's go. Yeah, it's training time. Here's your button. Oh, yes, you know what time it is. Oh, she was scratching it. Can I see from that angle? Oh, that's so good. I'm so happy with this. Uh-oh, is it in recording mode?
Hungry.
Oh, okay. Proper mode. Okay, I'm Simon. I just had to test something. Go back. Nope, you don't get food if you come over here. Nope. No. There we go. So I've increased the criteria for her. She now needs to scratch at the button in order to get a reward.
Hungry.
Oh, you did that by accident, but I'll reward
Hungry.
you. Okay. So she is capable of pressing it. I don't know why it's doing that. Okay, let me just see. Okay, I think she reset it. That's unfortunate. Oh well. That's really too bad. Moth, you reset the button. Hey, Moth, focus back up. We're doing button work. She's checking out the camera right now. Come back, Moth. Hi. She smells the chicken that she rubbed all over it. That is not going to get her a reward. I do want to fix this, like attach this to something that I can put on the ground. So yeah, right now the criteria for her is to actually scratch at the button since she's doing it. I do need to attach this to something so that she can't move it around. Just gonna let her, you know, work at it until she realizes that it's the button. That's right, I do have food for you. Oh, she got my hand there. Not hard, but she definitely got my hand. That is the wrong side of the tongues, Missy. Is it even still in frame? Good. I'm gonna push this back a little bit. I don't want to be bitten. Please don't bite me. No, no biting. We don't bite here. Really, Moth? Okay. There's a few paws at it. I will take that. Okay. I like that. That's good. Okay, please don't eat me. She's like really hungry right now. Get your butt off of it. Yeah, you already reset the recording on it. Okay. Scratching behavior gets a reward. I want her to be going at the top of the button. Okay, I'll reward that. Here you go. Sometimes she gets so focused on what she's doing that she doesn't even stop. Okay, that's really good. Okay, she's been trying at it for a while. I'll reinforce that. She's not heavy enough to press the button unless she actually puts weight on it, or like to trigger it, because she's still too small. But she 100% gets the concept of press the button or interact with it. Okay, I'll reward that. I want her to scratch at it again. She might be losing interest in food a little bit. Maybe this will be our last repetition. Or maybe that was our last one. Who knows? Did you want more food? This might be her I'm done routine. Oh, I am bleeding a little bit. I guess she did get me. Okay, maybe she's done. I am honestly really happy with that. She is 100% catching on to... Okay, that's good. No, those are the tongs. Oh my god, lizard. Hi. Okay, good. I don't think she can hear this clicker as well. Or she's just not used to it. So I really want her to be scratching the top. There we go. Oh. Okay. That was a... Oh yeah, you didn't get anything. Let go. Okay, as much as I hate to take this away, please don't eat meat. Please don't eat meat. No. Scooch. Scooch. Oh, look at how fat her belly is. She's had so much to eat already. Okay. Okay. Oh, I guess she's done. Hungry. Good enough. Okay, so I know now that she can actually...
Hungry.
Oh, no. Oh, I see what happened. Okay. There we go.
Hungry.
Okay, that's good enough for me. But yeah, I'm really happy with how Moth did there. She is catching on really quickly, so that's good.